Good morning. Welcome guys to Scotland. I am back on the Cape Wrath Trail 2024 and just got started, just got off the ferry, just walking the road now, 7 miles of road walk before I head into Corrie Glen. But I just wanted to start the video off and say good morning to everyone and hope everyone's doing okay. I'm doing fabulous, by the way. I'm on the Cape Wrath Trail. The weather is good this morning. It's going to be a little bit of rain in the afternoon and the forecast is kind of so we'll see how it goes. Backpack's on, pretty much got everything from last year, pretty much the same thing I had last year. A few little tweaks here and there. I got a few more pieces of kit that I needed that I didn't have last year, like SOS. I didn't have one of those yesterday. The InReach Mini, got that now. Didn't have it last year. That was one of the reasons why I stopped walking, because yeah. So yeah, just gonna crack on with the walk this morning, get into Corrie Glen and see it all over again, but share you guys the same videos and stuff. So show you what, there's a person out front of me that I've been walking with from Belgium for a few hours this morning on the road, and he's just in front of me. There's a couple behind me, so there's quite a bit of people started today on Saturday, May 4th. So see how it goes. Stay with me guys, it's gonna be a cracker. Coming up to the spot where you put your stones, you turn right into the glen. Beautiful here today. A fellow hiker, the Belgian fella, I can't remember his name unfortunately. He was doing something with the rocks, probably putting a rock down. Very cool of him. Road walk ended. I made it to the place where I used to camp, where I camped last year. Someone's obviously left a fire pit. But yeah, I camped here last year and I had that view. Epic. I'll put the photo in next so you can see it. And now we're heading up that pass there. So let's do it. All right, we're just heading up. There's a few people camping down there from the Netherlands. Very nice. They saw adder. Very lucky. And I saw salamander. And Leonard took a photo of it. So we're going up here now, up over the Viaduct and then down into Glenfinnan. And cross our fingers, there'll be a steam train. All right, let's keep moving. Right, we're just coming down from the Viaduct now, heading down to Glenfinnan. It's not as boggy as it was last year. It's I don't have wet feet yet, which is a good thing. But the views are awesome, as you can tell. We got the couple Monroes next to us, and that's the way we've just come. Somewhere over there. No deer yet, but we're getting there. All right, first view of Glenfinnan. So basically the track goes right down there. There's a a white building house down there. That's where we're going. Oh yeah, the viaduct I think is over to the left, I think. But we've got a few more miles to go. It's what, 3 o'clock? Oh no, it's 3:30. We got time. A little bit of a road walk in between, coming down from the fells down to Glenfinnan now. Doing the road walk because the bridge is out, so we have to do the road walk. We're almost through it now, probably about another quarter of a mile, and then into the Glenfinnan Visitor Center, and then down to where we're going to pitch our tents. Just walking by the monument now, we're near the Visitor Center, so it's quite busy here, and the rain is starting to come down. Getting ready to pitch our tent soon. Made it to the Viaduct. Just walking the road right now to our campsite. Oh, it's epically big. There's a few people out and about. Look at that. First deer on the path that we've seen. She's right off the road. A little bit of a red deer. Yeah, she's just chilling on the road. We'll let her be and eat her grub. We just got a little bit more to go now. We'll get to that little spot where we're gonna camp. All right, made it to camp. Got the tent set up. Got some food cooking. Tonight's meal is going to be pasta carbonara, which I had before and it's delicious. Just boiling some water right now. Got the tent all set up, ready for me to go to sleep. Got the woods behind us. No deer in here, the woods yet. There's a path in front of us there, and the river's just on the other side there. So it's a few other people camping down the way from us. It's not raining. Mountains have got some cloud cover, but that's okay. It's really nice. There's a few midges here and there, but not bad. Stay tuned for tent talk, or tent map time, not tent talk, map time. Stay tuned for map time.
All right, guys, it's map time. So, started in Fort William. Good, nice road walk all the way around here, pretty straightforward. It's just road walking. This is where you turn in to the Quarry Glen, and in right up front here, before you basically turn in, there's a little place you can leave a stone if you choose to by a tree, which is pretty cool. People do that. And then you head into the Glen, which is pretty straightforward, to be honest. It's a track. You follow that. It goes up and down a little bit, zigzags a few things, but it's straightforward. Bothy. We took a break at the Bothy. Had some snacks and stuff. Met another hiker. I can't remember her name now. She's also from Belgium, which is quite cool. So 2 people of Belgium. I'm walking with Leonard, and then obviously Floor, maybe her name was? Yeah, Floor, her name was Floor. She's also from Belgium. And she's walking with us, well, not with us, but she's kind of crossing us. And then basically followed that all the way down to, sorry about that, all the way down to, yep, the Bothy was here, sorry about that. And then all the way down here where I originally camped the first time I attempted this walk. We passed that about 3 o'clock. I want to say 2:30, 3 o'clock. There was a few other guys there from Denmark, I believe, that were camping. Basically, they saw a snake, so they saw an atta, most likely, somewhere on the path, basically basking in the sun, because we did have sun today. Saw a salamander here too, in the water, right next to when I was talking to the gentleman. Yep, and we climbed up here, basically got to the top, and then walked across the top, which is pretty simple, really. It's easy to navigate. It's pretty straightforward. A few boggy sections, but not bad. And then heading downhill again, all the way downhill until basically you hit the road. There's a few buildings here, like a housing, a couple white buildings, so look out for those. Then you know you're going the right way. And then basically hit the road. You can't do this path here because it's closed still. The bridge is out. So you need to do the road walk, which is, you know, a road walk. Then into Glenfinnan, where we did get some rain, a little spitting rain here and there. And then basically down the side of Glenfinnan underneath the viaduct, which is where it was kind of spitting with rain, light rain. And then down here, following the river, basically saw a few deer here. I think we saw one here, and then now when we're in camp, right before I was getting ready to eat something, and a couple more came out from the tree line and dropped over the path and eating some stuff. So yeah, so we're basically camped right here somewhere. There's a little field that you can camp next to the road, next to the river, so you can clean yourself up and do what you need to do. So it's a good camping spot. All in all, I think we did 38 kilometers. Don't ask me what the mileage is. Don't know. 38 kilometers, which is probably the longest I've ever walked. So in one day, wearing a backpack. So that was pretty epic. I'm feeling pretty good. So not too. Tomorrow, I think we're doing 20 miles, so a lot less. So tomorrow we'll be crossing the Bothy, but that's for tomorrow. And stay tuned for that, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.
All right, guys, I'm gonna call it for the night and get some sleep. It is 8 o'clock. Brush my teeth. Sorry, I've got stuff hanging in the tent. You can kind of see the woods that I'm next to. So yeah, we're gonna call it a night and get some sleep and get up early in the morning and crack on with the next day, day 2 on the Cape Wrath. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for future videos.